Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a 300 megabyte video on Gmail in 2026. It's easier than you think. And yeah, you'll get it done in just a few steps. First, log into your Gmail account. Just enter your email and password like usual. Nothing tricky here. Next, click on the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email, subject, and any message you want to include. Here's the key. Gmail can't send files larger than 25 megabytes directly. So for a 300 megabyte video, click the Drive icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Upload your video to Google Drive if it's not already there. Once your video is in Drive, click Insert as Drive link. Gmail will automatically attach a shareable link for your recipient, and they can view or download the full video. Don't forget, make sure your video permissions are set so the recipient can access it. Click the share settings, choose anyone with the link or specific email access, and save. And that's it. Your 300 megabyte video is ready to send via Gmail. Super easy. And no need for external file transfer services. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick guides.